All verse rising, my soul family. All verse rising. Peace to the God stars and goddesses. Soul family. When we see the Simpsons has a MK Ultra programming system to make a lot of these non-spiritual beings, aka these soulless vibrational beings, have these animalistic demonic behaviors. And these animalistic demonic behaviors that you see right here is like Homer Simpson, he chokes out Bart Simpson. He's choking out his own son. What kind of father would choke out his own son, right? So a lot of these zombie NPC organic portal people who are known as soulless beings, when they watch The Simpsons, they develop this animalistic demonic traits of a demon and start to like have animalistic demon behaviors and like be ready to choke out people and like be very vulgar and very very demonic and chaotic with their nature, getting physical with random individuals. And it happens a lot. Like you can see like people's own cousins, like getting physical with a spiritual cousin, or a sister getting all physical with their spiritual sister, and etc. Because like The Simpsons is a MK Ultra programming system of a show. Like The Simpsons right here, man. Like, look at this. And then you see this one right here. You see Bart choking out his own father. And there's a lot of situations in real life where you got demonic spirit fathers and demonic spirit sons, like they fighting another relative, or a demonic son fighting a demonic father, and the list goes on. Like you see this like you see this MK Ultra control. You see this? Like, look at this. So look, you see Bart Simpson, he's choking out his father, Homer Simpson, right? And this came through so many years after of experiencing the traumas of Homer Simpson being abusive to Bart. So Bart, he learned these abusive behaviors from his father, Homer Simpson, and start to choke out his father, because Homer Simpson, he choked out Bart Simpson, and that's all abusive demonic behavior. So the reason why we got demonic abusive adults is due to abusive demonic spirit parentings that has happened in that abusive adults childhood, like many years before, man. Like, this stuff is real deep. Like Simpsons, a lot of people say it's like a predictive program, but it's actually MK Ultra programming control to make these soulless vibrational zombie people act crazy, right? Now, us spiritual people, us soulful vibrational people, when we see The Simpsons, we don't pay no mind to it. We don't start acting like Homer or Bart and try to get physical with random people and like lose our sanity the way that these NPC zombie organic portal soulless beings lose their sanity and start getting physical with random people they don't even know, or getting physical with a cousin or a sister or brother or a father or whoever, man. Like, this stuff with The Simpsons, man, it really shows you how very demonic and crazy that a lot of these soulless vibrational beings are. So you can tell, like, Homer Simpson and Bart Simpson, they're soulless vibrational beings, because think about it. Like, what kind of father and son will be beefing with each other and like always trying to find ways to get physical and try to choke each other out? It makes no sense. Like, this stuff like was done in a cartoon fashion to make it seem like a joking matter, but guess what? Homer Simpson was an abusive father who choked out his son Bart Simpson, and it led to Bart Simpson becoming very demonically abusive later on in his years. And he got revenge on his father, Homer Simpson, choking him out because of the traumatic trauma abuse that Homer Simpson put Bart through. You see? So like this MK Ultra program that the Simpsons shows you, it shows you how a lot of these souls vibrational beings that watch that show, they develop these animalistic demonic behaviors, always getting physical with random people they don't know like that, or get physical with these spiritual people. So we know that Bart had a traumatic childhood, getting physically abused by Homer Simpson. When Bart might have did something wrong, and Homer Simpson did not really tell him, like, don't make the same mistake again. Instead, he just like physically abused Bart Simpson. So Bart Simpson, due to never having a father or mother, like actually, talk to him about situations on what is right and what is wrong, it led to Bart Simpson becoming abusive. So because you notice, anyone that's like 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, that's like very abusive, is because those individuals, they grew up in a household where they wasn't told right from wrong, and they was like physically, emotionally abused every day. So it leads to demonic spirit adults be a thing and show their real nature of being physically abusive. Man, that's what we see with Bart Simpson, Homer Simpson. But this is all I'm gonna say for now.